Hello, today you're looking at a Dynapower 8000 amp 18 volt rectifier brought to you by Lanco. This is air cooled, overall dimensions 65 inches length, 60 inches width, 84 inches high. Does come with a timer and is integrated with ramp control. As you guys can see the inside. And we got that hooked up to a custom load bank. We'll get that going for you right now. Great working unit. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call at the office. Phone number here is 616-887-8300 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a good day.